Question 8 of the additional maths past paper 2022. This question we got complete in the square, and we need to follow and fill in the statements below as well. So whenever we're completing the square, just be mindful that the value in front of the x is going to be halved and then squared but taken away. So simply what I'm doing is x plus 20. Now I'm going to square that and take it away. So 20 times 20 gives us minus 400 plus 100. And that's it completed. I'm just going to simplify that. Like so. That's that for that bit. Now the minimum value of x, well, the same statement that we just used because we use nothing from above, occurs when x equals. So if x plus 20 here, we're going to do in minus 20, okay? Because we're making that bracket 0 essentially. And then the minimum value, well, that's going to be then when x, so when x is 0, the minimum value of the actual brackets is going to give you minus 300. Because in a sense, if we put in minus 20 plus 20 squared minus 300, that gives you 0 minus 300, and that's why. Hopefully that makes more sense. But it's a nice 3-mark question. Right, mark scheme. So you got 1 mark for having x plus 20 squared. Okay, so we got that. Didn't actually get another mark for the other bit because I guess it's further down, just understanding of it. And then A1 again. So there's 3 marks around for this question. Quite a nice question if you did get it, and lovely. Okay, all done, and I'll see you in the next video.